Hi, welcome to Background Story. Today I'm going to be doing all about the fireworks. We are going to watch the fireworks today, and this is our field where we're staying for the night in Salcombe. And here is my dad filming.
Hello.
Let them see your face. You've never been in one of my videos, have you?
No, I'm a bit nervous because you're really good in front of the cameras, and I'm a bit nervous.
And my dad is a bit nervous because he's never been in my videos before. So it's going to be a bit crazy.
But tell them.
And here is my dad. He's filming.
Hello.
And he is actually called.
Oh, I can be called Batman Raspberry.
He's called Batman Raspberry.
So see later. We'll see them when.
We'll see you at later. And do you want to know how old I am? I'm 10.
No, whoa, really? You've got to say we'll see you later when we're on the boat.
Because they don't know my name.
Oh right, okay.
My dad said that I'm 11, but I think I'm 10.
Tell them we're going on a boat, and we'll be back when we get on the boat.
We'll be back when we get on the boat, and you can see my amazing Granny and Granddad's boat. Thumbs up, Snapchat, bye. Peace. Bam. Hi, welcome to my video. I'm so excited because we're going to watch the fireworks. See at the fireworks. Holding a deck! Fireworks tonight! Fireworks tonight! Look! Rocking bait.
Yeah, so you're going to do things.
We're going to go with the fireworks!
Lola, can you? What's all these boats?
Fire boat.
Got real fine. What are you gonna shout? You shout something. Go on.
Okay.
Say, I like cheese graters.
I like cheese graters.
Oh.
You were shouting and screaming back there though.
Yeah.
You were so loud in the nature reserve.
Yeah.
Now you're quiet as a mouse.
Whoa.
You've got the best view here.
Lola.
Yeah.
Have you been as close as this before the fireworks?
I feel like they're coming towards us.
They're coming on top of us. Fantastic.
They look amazing.
Yeah, look at that, the colour.
Wow, look at that one.
Really going for it, yeah. They're like bombs going off.
Lola. Lola.
Oh.
Lola. What do you think?
Wow. Telling him off.
Lola. Lola.
Sure, like these are big ones.
Hi, just wake up. I hope you enjoyed the fireworks. Please subscribe and thumbs up.